Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Nissan Maxima, and this one is 2004 model. It belongs to the 2004 and 2008 generation, and the car comes with the factory radio before and factory screen on the top. At this moment it's already been fully done with the new 9-inch full package of the wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, and of course Full HD anti-glare and Super Night Vision reverse camera at the back end. So this car already been done beautifully with the system that fit in the place like factory fit, and it make it looks brilliant, and it lift up the dashboard so much more modern look. And the 9-inch system over here has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Is so easy to use, and also it bring in a new control panel for the air conditioner control, which you can see that when I touch the button here, it actually increase and change the thing over here for the air conditioner control. Okay, and that's how actually the system work on the new design. So air conditioner control panel will be here, and full touch screen, touch button, very soft touch button, and on the screen here is 9-inch touch screen. And the system already talk to the car in many different way, and you can see that when I open the door, okay, the system show that the door is open on the screen. Very cool, very modern look. And now come to the sound. The system here has amplifier to boost up the sound as well. And look at this, the reverse camera. Okay, so it's huge, it's beautiful, it's clear and sharp and detailed, and yep, it is the one that has the anti-glare feature as well, very strong. So you can see that the sun is staying right here, right at this corner, right at this position, and the sun going down very badly at the back end if you look up that direction. But the camera certainly activate the anti-glare function and works very nice in this car, and it helps you to see so clear at the back end. So the sun will be blocked around this section, and all other things you can see clear. So that's the good thing of the new camera upgrade, of course. And it come back quickly into the front for the system over here, and easy to control music, video thing. And yeah, that's about. And this is wireless Android Auto setup, but it is similar thing as the Apple CarPlay, which has wireless Apple CarPlay as well. So all the button, all the function, air conditioner control, air vent, everything is working beautiful. And also we put it here 2 USB port, which is looking very nice in this section, and it will help you to use this USB stick like this, or you can plug in the phone for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as well in case you want. So yes, that's the 9-inch system for the Nissan Maxima, and thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next one.